Welcome back to another vlog. So in this vlog I will show you how I make money from different sources without doing any job and without doing any major investments. And with that I will show you how we travel from Sydney to Newcastle in a very budgeted amount. So let's get started. If you are a student and if you want to become an independent from your parents, then you must know that you have to gain some skills, some important skills in which you have interest. Like I have an interest in graphics and I am a software engineer as well, so I have an interest in app building and website designing. So I learned skills from different academies, from YouTube videos and many other sources. And then I started my earning during my university time, that was from my graduation, and I started a good amount that I even able to pay my university fee. That was not too low, that was a heavy amount. So I worked on Fiverr. That was a platform on which you can easily make account free of cost. You don't need to invest anything, you just have some skills. So you just need to make an account and upload a gig and you are ready to go. And with that there are also some platform like Upwork and Freelancers is not free, but you have to pay some membership fee. I don't work on that, I worked on Upwork and Fiverr. And after coming to Australia I come to know that there is an application in Australia which is called Airtasker, which is also free. You just need to make an account and show up your skills and you are ready to go. These are some specific and small some platforms which are free and which are very easy to use for students, and you guys can make a lot of money with that. You can also earn money from YouTube. Like YouTube have a lot of new options. You can earn money from making shorts, from long videos, and from uploading your shopping website. By the way, I have a website, I linked below. I have a store on Shopify as well. So I talked a lot and we reached the Newcastle. Sorry about that. These are the scenes from the Newcastle entry. And Zainab was doing her fun on the back seat, and she was having a good nap before that. And when we reached there, she just woke up and she was ready to go. We went there meeting some friend, but unfortunately due to some reasons we can't manage to meet him. So we thought that let's go to the beach. So we are talking about money making. So trust me, without any skills you can't make money online. Like there are some schemes like you have to do some surveys and something like that. I never believe them, I never trust these websites. You have to have some skills so you can sell your skills. If you have genuine skills you can earn more money, and you have to come out from your comfort zone as well. You must need to follow the consistency rule. And like I do trading as well, and I just started trading 2 to 3 months before, and I woke up very late, almost 1:30 at night, as I am working on US stock exchange. So for that I have to wake up at that specific time that the market was opened at 1:30 a.m. of Australia. So I woke up and I started trading. I do day trading. That was quite risky and that needs a lot of practice. I purchased course from someone and then I started learning the tricks and techniques of day trading. And one day I earned $17,000 in just 20 minutes. And that was a big achievement for me, as our teacher told us that you can't earn before 6 months, but we worked hard and we practiced a lot at night time. So I managed to earn a lot of amount, and that was really a very big achievement for me, and I was very happy on that day, and that gives me more motivation. I'm not showing off my money here. I just want to motivate some newbies who want to earn money and who can earn money, but for that you just need to learn some skills. Without skills you can't do that. And I love this thing about that beach. They have separate pool for the kids, as kids are not very fond of sea waves, and they, like Zainab, don't like the waves. But this beach have a separate section, separate pool for the kids, so kids can go there and enjoy. As you can see, we were trying to manage to make her friendly with the beach, and she did quite good job at that day. She was actually very good in swimming class as well now, and she was enjoying a lot. She asked me to start it singing her favorite poem, so we were doing that. Okay, so I was talking about the money, and money is very important as everyone needs that. So for that you have motivation, you have willingness, you have to sacrifice your comfort zone, your sleep, so that you can earn good amount and you become independent in your life. And that's a good thing that your parents also like that feelings, so you have to do this. And this is actually for the students. You don't need to go outside and do the job from 9 to 5, and quite that is a quite boring, and I think that quite hectic routine. I really don't like these kind of routines. I tried once for a job, but I forgot about that. Okay, so this is the food I enjoyed there. That was from an Indian restaurant. That was so yum. I really liked that food. And then after that, we spent almost 2 to 3 hours over there, and then we came back to home. On our way back to home, we changed our path as we were living in the Sydney. So we came from another path. So there were also some beautiful scenery. There are a lot of trees, ocean, and a lot of beautiful natural landscape, and I feel that I was traveling to some movie. So I really love these scenes. I actually very fond of nature. I love the landscapes, and I love Sydney sky as well. That is my all-time favorite. And meanwhile, Zainab was doing this. She was reading her book. She loves to read books, and she also loves to drawing sketches. So every time when we go outside, we try to manage these things. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye, take care.